Hello, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and overview of the Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra Battery B-124. This is going to be used to give extended parking mode recording for my new Blackvue dash cam, the DR900S 2-channel 4K camera, which replaces the 750S I was using previously. So they say that this should give you as much as 24 hours recording time, I guess depending on your settings and other factors, if you have a full charge. You can use this camera, this battery, either plugged into your cigarette lighter or hardware wired into your fuse box, which will allow the battery to charge significantly faster. I hear under an hour for a full charge from dead. So that's really good, and that's what I intend to do. So anyway, in just this video, I'll just be unboxing and giving you a little bit of information on this. Another video, I will do an unboxing with some more information on this camera. And I will give you highlights of the installation in my car in a third video. So, moving forward, I'm going to use my unboxing Leatherman and get into this. I made that piece sharp, so I can use it for cutting. And let me give you a little bit of a closer look at what it says on the side here. It's a 6000 mAh LiFePO4 battery. Get full charge in 40 minutes hardware, 80 minutes cigarette lighter socket. Plug and play, install if you want, or DIY installation, etc. Also, it's expandable. You can use multiple batteries together for even more recording time. So let's see what's in the packaging here. You have your instructions, some wiring, and it looks like some ADA circuits for putting this into your fuse panel. So that's convenient that they give that to you. And here is l'écran de résistance, the battery itself. Pretty good sized battery. So just going to have to decide where exactly I'm going to mount this, where and how within my car, so that way it's unobtrusive. You can, some advanced features of this battery are the ability to connect to this with your phone, I think via Bluetooth, and you'll be able to monitor the percentage of the battery when you do that, and change other settings. So here's the back connections, DC in for plugging it into direct power to charge it up. Here's the switch here, off, cigarette lighter power, or hardwire. So you're going to have this switch accordingly. Here's a special dash cam plug. I'm not sure what units this is for specifically. And here's your expansion plug if you want to daisy chain more of these batteries together. This has a pretty good weight. Say it was at least a few pounds, at least. And let's look at some of the cabling and whatnot that come within this packaging. Okay, here's your dash cam plug and cigarette lighter. So my Blackvue, for example, I believe is only going to plug in the cigarette lighter port. I don't think it's going to be using this one here. So I would just be plugging this in here. Also, I believe you can use this with other dash cameras and not specifically the Blackvue models. So you have that. Here is a cigarette lighter. So this would plug in here. So if you were using the unit plugged into a cigarette lighter in your car, so that way, so if you didn't want to hardwire it into your fuse box, you do that. And here is for hard wiring into your fuse box. So again, this plugs into that same plug into the back of the battery. And the other side is for the hard wiring. You have your power and your ground. And I believe that's it. Let's unwrap this really quick. Yeah, that's all there is. It's just power and ground. Easy peasy. And here are some added circuits with some fuses. Here's like a regular, and here's a mini, like a mini blade fuse. And you have the two different sizes for the added circuits. And the smaller size. And the larger one. When you put these in, your original fuse is going to be on the bottom, and then the fuse for this is going to be on the top. You want to make sure it's oriented the correct way within the fuse adapter, so that way positive is on the correct thing, so it'll properly pops the fuse if it needs to. And here are some Velcros. I'm assuming these are to put on the battery so you can Velcro mount it to the side of your, inside your car somewhere. So you got some 2 heavy duty Velcro strips. Maybe mild duty. I felt stronger ones. So I do believe I have some more heavy duty ones if I feel I need stronger ones. And that's pretty much it. You have everything you need. All you'll need is a multimeter for your car to determine which fuse you'll be using. You're going to want to plug this into, if you're hard wiring, you're going to want to plug this into a fuse that is only on when the car is on, and not one that is on when the power is off, because you don't want this thing trying to charge while your car is off, so that way, for the sake of not draining your batteries quickly. And here's a quick look at the manual. This gives you, these are LED indicators and features. Gives you some suggestions on wiring. Some information on how the app looks when you're checking it out in the app settings screen. And I think that's it. The rest looks to be multi-language. So these, yeah, so that's all the pages for the manual for English. Again, here. Here. And again, you can pause this if you want to see it, or you could just download it on their website. One more time there, 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 and product specifications on the rear. And that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see additional videos from me, including, of course, unboxing this baby and highlights of my installation into my car and the hardware install. Alright, see you soon.